Today we're going to talk about making the movements juicier. We're going to juice them up. We're going to make them ooey, ooey, gooey, and delicious. So let's start with thinking about the spine. Really get some mobility here. Contract, expand, contract, expand, contract, expand, contract, expand. Now, just the body. Pull. Really think about the lower body. We're going to work that a lot today. Pull and pull. Now straight back. In. Lengthen the spine. Feet are flat on the floor. In. Now we're going to go in, release. Like the end of the camel. In, pull. In, pull. Nice and slow. In, pull. From the lower belly, working, pull. We're going to add this small baby camel on the end of a few movements. Look how juicy they get. Pull. Let's just drill this a few more times. Pull. Pull. Soften those knees as you come through and pull. Let's add it to a figure eight. Lift, pull. Lift, little twist, and then pull down. Lift, pull, lift, pull, lift, pull, lift, pull, lift, pull. Get all the way down. Those muscles right above the pubic bone. Lift, pull, lift. Stretch in. Feet are soft. Have some fun. Let the arms float. And we're going to go hip circle, pull, hip circle. Add that pull. Make it juicy. Add those dynamics. Around, pull, side, pull, pull, and back figure eight, pull. Back figure eight, pull. Back figure eight, pull. Back and pull. Side, pull, side, pull, side. Should feel yummy. In. Add the camel. Regular camel and pull. Lift, pull. And get a little emphasis on the bottom. In, pull, pull. Scoop that hip back. Energy with those arms. We can go over, pull, over, pull, over, pull, over, pull. Have some fun with it. Let's just go back to it. In, pull, nice and juicy. Notice I'm moving mostly under the rib cage. Let's put it together. Figure eight. Lift, pull, lift, pull, lift, pull, lift, pull. Figure eight. To the side. Hip circle. Even added on a shimmy.